So, you want to sell me this pen? Let me tell you, selling isn't just about features and benefits. It's about tapping into emotions. People don't buy because of logic. They buy because of emotions. Think about it. Why do you want to buy something? It's usually because of how it makes you feel. Whether it's greed, generosity, shame, fear, or simply the need for escape, emotions drive our purchasing decisions. Take, for example, the time I walked into a high-end menswear store. The salesman didn't just talk about the fabric or the fit of the suit. He painted a picture of me feeling like James Bond in a Tom Ford tuxedo. And you know what? I bought it. Why? Because of the emotions it evoked. I felt confident, sophisticated, like a suave secret agent. That's the power of selling with emotions. Remember, people don't buy their way into something. They buy their way out of something. They're looking for solutions to their problems. So, if you want to sell, understand your customers' pain points and show them how your product or service can make their lives easier. And here's a secret. People don't buy products and services. They buy stories. Stories add value. They differentiate you from the competition. A pen is just a pen until you attach a compelling story to it. Suddenly, it becomes a symbol of prestige, history, and exclusivity. That's the magic of storytelling in sales. So, when you're selling me this pen, don't just talk about its ink or design. Tell me a story. Make me see how this pen isn't just a writing tool. It's a piece of history, a statement of style, a symbol of success. Show me the emotions this pen can evoke, and I'll be ready to buy. In conclusion, remember, people buy because of emotions and justify it with logic. Understand your customers' emotions, address their pain points, and tell compelling stories. That's how you sell anything to anyone. So, go ahead, sell me this pen. How will you make me feel like I can't live without it? Share your pitch in the comments below. Let's see if you can truly master the art of selling with emotions.